Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make the ultimate fried chicken wings. These wings are marinated in buttermilk, then coated in a seasoned wet batter and deep fried to golden brown perfection. I cannot wait to show you guys how it's done, but before I begin, as usual, if you think you're going to enjoy this one, be sure to give it a like. Also subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to jump right in. I will have all the measurement down below for you guys. Here I have about 2 pounds of wings. I am going to cut them up, then give them a nice wash. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys what to do next. All right, now that we're done with the wings, I am going to give them a nice wash with lemon and lime and also some vinegar, and there you have it, nice and clean. So moving on, what you are about to do is place your wings into a large bowl, just like that one. Now I am going to add in about a 1/4 cup of hot sauce, red hot sauce to be specific. Now it's not going to be spicy. I know a lot of you guys probably heard hot sauce and think, oh my god, it's going to be spicy. No, no, no. It's just going to give it a nice acidic flavor. And also I'm going in with some buttermilk to make it nice and juicy and just to brine the chicken basically. I am going to cover it with a saran wrap, place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour, and once we're done, I'll show you guys what to do. Okay, now this is about 30 minutes later to an hour. I am going to remove the buttermilk from the chicken. Yes, you heard me. I'm trying something different, okay? So I'm going to drain out the buttermilk. Then this is basically what we're working with. I still have some buttermilk in there, but if you can't pour all of the buttermilk out, please do. And next I am going in with about 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Just pour that right on top. Next I'm going in with the seasoning. The seasoning I'm using for today's recipe is chicken bouillon, paprika, Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and salt. All right, we're going to pour all of that goodness right on top of the flour. Next, I'm going to crack 1 egg and just add that in there. And guess what I'm adding next? Guess what I'm adding next? Yes, you know it. I am going to pour in some club soda. You guys, this is the best method I have found to make fried chicken. I am not going back, okay? If you make your fried chicken this way, it will come out crispy, crunchy, flavorful every single time, okay? So I am going to pour that in there. As you guys can see, I am working it in, mixing it just like that. I'm not sure if you guys can tell because this is in fast motion. My batter consistency is giving a little bit of pancake batter-ish. So that's the consistency you are looking for. So I am going to cover it once more for about 30 minutes to an hour if you do have time, or if you want to cook it right away, be my guest. Okay, so I am going to cover it once more for another 30 minutes, and then we are ready to fry these bad boys. So look out, look out, look at it, look at it, look at it. Okay, so I am going to take the chicken from the batter, and if there's any excess batter, make sure to shake that off. And you are going to use plain flour, all-purpose flour, no seasoning needed, and I mean it. You are going to add your chicken in there. Then you are going to, mix it with the flour. Like I said, you don't need to season that flour, honey. Okay? So just mix that in just like that until your chicken is completely covered with the flour. And you can already tell how crispy this is about to be. Just take a look. And to make my life easier, I like to flouring all of my chicken before I start frying. All right, so this is what we're working with so far. This is all of my chicken ready to go. Now it's time for me to heat up my oil. I am using peanut oil for this recipe. If you are using any other type of oil, make sure the oil has a high smoke point because you are frying chicken. And also make sure to have a thermometer, okay? Because if you are frying chicken, you don't have a thermometer, I mean, you can fry it fine, but to make sure everything goes right, make sure you grab yourself a thermometer. Okay, you can find one on Amazon or at Walmart, I'm pretty sure. So make sure the temperature is about 350. Once it's nice and hot and ready to go, it's on 350. Just add your wings in, okay? Add them in. Wings are nice and small. They don't really need that much time to cook, but you need to cook them through. So I am going to cook mine for about 10 to 12 minutes. Alrighty, 10 to 12 minutes. Once they are done, they should give you a nice golden brown color with that perfect crunch. And I'm telling you guys, this is the best fried chicken method that's out there. Make sure to use this method next time you're making fried chicken. And basically, y'all, this is the final result. Look how gorgeous, look how beautiful, the color, the texture, everything. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you guys actually try this out because this right here is definitely a must try. And also, if you did enjoy the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please, please, please help your sister out. Give it a thumbs up. And let's not forget the crunch on these wings. Oh my God, listen. They are so crunchy and so flavorful. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe, share, like, and I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye, guys.